Hello and welcome to Ninja English, the program where you learn real English through everyday topics. I'm Anna.
And I'm Sam. Hello there. Today is a little different. It's our Learn English from the News episode, where we take a real news story and teach you useful English from it.
That's right. And today's story comes from the world of football, the 2026 World Cup.
Ooh, big news. So, Anna, what happened?
Well, last night in Philadelphia, Brazil played Haiti, and Brazil won 3-0.
3-0. A comfortable win. And I heard one player was the star of the show.
He certainly was. But first, here's today's question. It's true or false? All three of Brazil's goals were scored in the first half. True or false?
I'd say false. Surely they scored one in the second half.
We'll find out at the end of the program. So the star of the match was Matheus Cunha. He scored twice. And in football, when a player scores 2 goals in one match, we call that a brace.
A brace. 2 goals from one player. So Cunha scored a brace.
Exactly. Cunha scored a brace and Vinicius Jr. added a third. 3-0 to Brazil.
Now, this was an important win, wasn't it? Because Brazil didn't win their first game.
That's right. In their opening match, Brazil only drew with Morocco, so last night they needed to bounce back.
To bounce back, meaning to recover after a disappointment or a setback.
Exactly. After a frustrating draw, Brazil bounced back with a strong win. And not only did they win, they didn't let Haiti score at all. They kept a clean sheet.
A clean sheet. When your team doesn't concede any goals. The other team scores 0.
Precisely. 3-0, a clean sheet for Brazil. Their goalkeeper had a quiet evening.
The best kind of evening for a goalkeeper. So, was it a difficult match?
Not really. With all the goals coming early, Brazil cruised to victory.
To cruise to victory. To win easily, without much trouble.
Exactly. They cruised to victory. It was comfortable from start to finish. And because of this win, Brazil now go top of their group.
To go top. To move into first place in the group.
That's it. With this result, Brazil go top of Group C. A very good night for them. And a tough one for Haiti, who are now out of the tournament.
Oh dear. So, shall we return to today's question?
Let's. I asked, true or false? All 3 of Brazil's goals were scored in the first half. Sam, you said false.
I did. Was I right?
Actually, it's true. All 3 goals came before half-time. After the break, Brazil relaxed and the score stayed 3-0.
True. A first-half masterclass then.
Exactly. Right, let's recap today's vocabulary. First, we had a brace, when one player scores 2 goals.
Then to bounce back. To recover after a setback.
A clean sheet, when a team doesn't concede any goals.
To cruise to victory. To win easily.
And finally, to go top, to move into first place.
And that's all for today. So tell us, who do you think will win the World Cup? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ninja English for more English from the news. Bye for now.
Bye!